Hey guys, Vickless here, and I am at a fireworks show that is in my local park. We're gonna do some fireworks like that. I thought that, hey, some people may not be able to see fireworks today, so I thought, hey, I'll have a video, I'll show some people some fireworks, that's it. Simple as that. And yeah, I'm gonna show you some fireworks that's happening throughout the area. It's nice. This is not an official fireworks show, but it kinda people just buy some fireworks and they all kinda come together in the park, go ahead and put on a show with their amazing fireworks. It's kinda nice, and I mean it's a little dark here. Not gonna be able to see much. Nice full moon. I'm gonna go back here and it stopped. I'm gonna let you watch. I might have a bit of commentary myself, but I'll let you watch. Okay, goodbye. Have some explosions. Why don't you? I probably didn't tell you this already, but today is Canada Day, so that's why there's all these amazing fireworks. Yeah. I'm not gonna be doing Independence Day. I'm not American. I'm sorry, but yeah. It's a little fun to watch for this whole thing. Wait. No, never mind. It's also fun to see the kids just actually go ahead and play in the park just like normal. They find this as an excuse, really. Ain't that fun? It's like almost 10 o'clock and it's still kind of ish daylight. It just proves how long our days are. So based on what I'm seeing, there's only really 3 parts that have fireworks coming out that you can see right here. I'm sure there's a few out there. But there's some fire shows going on around there. That's applicable. Yeah, it's just fun to watch them. I mean, it's better than going all the way to someplace downtown where it's completely crowded and but I mean there are a bunch of fireworks, but it's just so crowded. You got to stand on top of your own car to get actually see anything, and even then some people might be standing on their car which are taller than you, so that's a little bad. Oh. Side of it. Explosions. Yeah, it is very dark right now, but it's as I said, it's 10 o'clock. You really can't see much. People playing tennis at this time and with fireworks. Bravery. It seems like I think one of the fireworks shows are done. Finished. There used to be something right there, but that's done with. There's some over there. I think something's coming up there. Yeah, I actually was recording this earlier, but something happened with my storage space on my phone, and then all of a sudden, recordings were deleted, everything, it kind of turned out terribly. And what are the chances now? Okay, there's something going on there. Two sparks through. Little explosion. From the way it looks like this, it looks like I'm looking up in the sky. Right now without having ground. Okay, that's getting crazy there, but there it's getting big. Nice. Yeah, from this view it looks like I'm just looking up in the sky directly and like they're shooting stars and everything. So yeah, if you like this video, I just did it because I thought, hey, maybe some people may not exactly see the fireworks, and you're not really seeing any here. So, but you saw that. Oh look, I think someone's lighting up a lantern. I'm correct. I'm gonna go over towards it. Yeah, someone's lighting up a lantern there. Isn't that a little cool? I'm gonna go directly towards it. That's nice. This happens sometimes as well. Some people will light up a lantern and it'll fly up into the sky. Will this one be successful? The light's dying a bit. Actually going much closer to it. Are they gonna light it up? I don't think they are anymore. Yeah, I know, they gave up. Either that or they're finding a new plate. It's not a little red light, that's what I was talking about. But, is there someone over there? An explosion. There, you see that? There you go. That's a little cool. This again looks like space. Those are the guys who were hiding. If you heard them, those are the guys who were trying to lift it up. Something's happening there. Big fire or just simple explosion? Oh, big firework! Okay. That was it. Oh! That one caught me by shock. There's the moon. So yeah, I mean, if you enjoyed this video, I'll keep recording for another few minutes and I'll stop. So I mean, if you enjoyed this video, I would love to, like, you know, leave a like. Maybe I can do something like this again, just showing a little video outdoors of something happening. If you want it like that. Something happened there? No. I guess, yeah, I'll be off. I won't be talking anymore. You can barely see it. There's something back there. There, the shining lights. Okay, I'll see you all in the next video. Goodbye.